Good morning, another wonderful day. I don't know if that tree's gonna live, come think of it. Maybe having to take that one down. The rest of them got some foliage. That one's dead, but anyway, I digress. Here's where we are. We got this mounted, the camera. I still got to pull that off because it's sitting in there in some glue right now and I don't want to move it. But I'll pull off the safety deal because the lens protector. It shows this here. I'll show you it shows just the top of it so I can back up. I'll show you how that works. Pretty slick. Stay tuned here. I think you're gonna like this video if you're putting in one of these cameras along with monitor. Well guys, how you doing? Hey, can you see me? Hey, yeah, you can. You can see me good. I don't even have to put my head over there. Must be because the mirror's looking at me. You seen the opening there? That's where we decided to put the camera. And it's going to work good. And I'll show you why right now. I had to put cardboard up behind here because couldn't see through there. There you go. Okay, that's good. Is that straight enough for you guys? Yeah. Okay. We're going to go through this thing together because we don't need to record. Every time you turn the key on, this will start recording in a loop. That's what it's supposed to do. I've not done much with it at all. But I've played with a few little things, but we're going to learn this together. And I can't wait to see what this looks like because you can see me, I can't see. I imagine you can see me. Can you see me now? No, you can't. Okay. Fine. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to go through this right now and set this thing up. I want to show you this, where the camera is. This is going to be your speed, the direction you're going. That's going to be the time. We're going to set that. But let's go this way. Did I do the right way? No, I got to go this way now. I had to flip the camera so everything's upside down. Well, you don't see it upside down, but what you do, this controls it upside down. No big deal. There's the ball. Well, I back up to something, I can see the ball coming right at it, and I can just lift it up a little bit and see the trailer, and as I get closer, oh, hey, you guys recognize that guy running back there? Hey, you want to come in here, Hank? I doubt it. He's looking. There he goes. Let's see if he can pee on something. No, he wouldn't do that. Anyway, that's Hank. So you can look at the ball, you can pull up and watch the trailer back up, or you can go up and shoot at the sky if you want. But right there is probably where we would leave it. Now, so that's how that works. Now let me show you this part. Here, that's the... Oh, that's the front camera. You're seeing the cardboard that I had to put on there to keep the reflection down so you can see it. But anyway, there's your front screen right there. Now if you want to go here, you got the front screen and the rear screen. You can watch both at the same time. I don't know why I would need one on the front unless I'm recording for you guys. This may work out great for that. We'll find out. Then you hit this again and it goes to the back screen. So this button right here takes it each which way. Then you got the lock button for your video if you want to lock up something so it don't record over it. You can hit that button. But here is your setting. Oh, and this one here, yeah, that's your playback. But let's do the settings. Let's do the time here. Let's what do we got? We got movie clip. We could set that. I got the wrong glasses on for this crap. I can't see that. We got somewhere here, there's going to be time, setting, format. It moves very easily. No, don't want that. Oh, that's when the thing goes off. I don't know if we want that to... I think we'll leave that at 3. We got that set now. Stupid glasses. Okay, let's go down here and see if we can find the time. Somewhere on here, time zone. Oop. GPS is on. Okay, time zone. Okay, and we're Mountain Time. So it's 11:37. We don't want military time, no? Should be a way to change that. Or maybe that's just, no, that's okay. Yep, we want that Mountain Time. That isn't setting the clock yet. Where is the clock? Settings. Okay, we want time setting. We want 12-hour time. We're good to there. Okay, we want English, yes. We want to set the time. Where do we set the time? Clock settings. There we go. Okay. Well, that took a while. I'll cut all that other stuff out. Oh, yeah, we're learning. Okay, we got the right, okay, everything's right there, but the time is not. It is not 5:30. It is 10:39. That's good. And we got the date set right. Everything's right. Let's see. Okay. There we go. That's how easy it is to set the time. Of course, by the time I got it set, it ain't 10:39 anymore, but it's close enough. It's close enough. Okay, you got all these settings here for everything. This is where you find them. Yeah, I ain't going to go through them all because you're going to want to change yours the way you want. Here's your picture mode. You can film it in 720, which is going to save you a lot of card. But I'm going to record it in high and see what happens. We're going to leave it in the 1080. Somebody was telling me that it automatically switches when you're recording both front and back cameras. What else we got here you might want to see? Movie clip time. 1 minute. Oh, you can take let's do 3 minutes. Hey, what the heck? I like long movies. You might have noticed. What else I don't even know what that one means. Let's see. We got the power off setting. We did that already. There's the clock settings. We did that already. Did the 24 hours. We did this part. That's your time format. English. Yeah, I'm English. We're going to leave that. We got, what's that one say? Click tone. Oh, okay. Let's see that. Oh, did that turn it off? Nope. That just goes click, click. You can change that tones in here so you don't have no noise when you hit the buttons. Flicker. This is your megahertz or whatever you call it. We're going to leave it on 60. Screensaver. Well, we don't want a screensaver. If you do screensaver at nighttime or when you're not using the camera, it will come up and just show you the time and where you're going, and it'll be black otherwise. That ain't what I got it for. I want to watch what's about back. You got your volume setting, and we can go all the way up. I'm deaf. Let's leave it open all the way. I can hear it for sure now. We got the GPS description on there. Let's see what that is. How it ain't going to show me. GPS information. We got, this will always show you where you're at, longitude and latitude. That's where we are right now. If you want to know where I'm at, free screen net, that's where I am. I ain't scared. And here's your time clicking by. And this, I don't know what the heck that's all about. What is that? Oh, it's changing. Them are the satellites you're picking up to tell you that your GPS is working. I remember somebody telling me that. What else we got here? We got overall speed remind. That remind or rewind? I can't see. Yeah, me remind. I don't know what that is. play with it, guys. Set it the way you want. Show reverse. No, we don't want to do that. We got to format the SD card. It came okay. I just turned it on and it was already formatted, I guess, because it worked. But that's how you can do it. You can reset setup if you screw up. Lots of things there. I think that's going to do it for me. Now, I want to record. See, it's recording right now. We ain't moving, but it's on, so it's recording. Now, I want to stop the recording because there's no reason. But you can take the still pictures, like I said. You can do all this other stuff. And there was something else right here. That's when you're recording and you want to lock it. See? It's unlocked. Now, if I hit lock, it'll save whatever we're filming. We may try that on the road and then try to download it for you. But there it is. There's my time. It's working. That's working. I put it in reverse. And there you go. It goes right down there where I can back right up to it. And I can probably lift that up and down and see where the trailer is. See right where the ball is, right there at the ball. So I always want to, the camera sits over here because we just had to. There's a seam there in the bumper. Couldn't go anywhere else. So that's where that is. So we'll just leave that about there. And then put it back in park and that leaves it, turns it off. You got your bright and your dark here. Let's see what we got here. That looks a little better. Okay, guys, I think that's it. It's pretty simple. The hardest part is my shaky hands moving that thing up and down. You turn it off and it's off. Like that. So, can you see me now? Hey guys, thanks for following. I don't know if this helped you out or not, but I really like it. This thing is made, it's heavy duty. It's good. As a matter of fact, I'm going to pull the tab off now. Woo! See, we got that's how confident I am. I took the stuff off. Well, we're going to call that a done video. I don't know how long it is, as long as it's going to be. I'm going to put a link on this to the other installing this thing. That was relatively easy. If you're not a fat old man trying to crawl underneath an RV, it is easy. All right, see y'all later. Subscribe, you know what to do. All them things.